It is not working. The party itself is not working to make the party attractive. Bema party why akono ama ankofo. A donor nipa wo party no eno an ekutem. And yes sir, and the party will be finished.
And Eugene now accuse say on chairman on account of my
I am not accusing, I'm stating a fact.
Oh.
I'm stating a fact.
So my hierarchy party now just
na ya toba. Ya to ya be constituency elections it was Subin. Ade na enu so omodia abana she I think Saturday so be toba. I think it was Tuesday or Wednesday night. Yeah, fresh ade chia no pa ye toba. Because say what dey chini Alanjima the free regional omo nyina kanana e make sure say obi antimi free baby metu executives na Eugene do musi ho no.
Na se atia na mbodwa data na motoma ba e wa akire.
No da ko we dey see here. Ko we dey see here. Omo buy some contest no. Obia kra ya mo obia kra mfa agent kra me gina. Album kra obia nya bi. So they didn't even know who was coming to vote. Look, what is going on in Subin? The least said about it, the better. Sometimes I don't even want to waste my time talking about the party structure in Subin.
Now then I won't find call the region and the national.
Bibia ni why nye. When a friend say petitions are actually national and regional and go see nobody looks at it. Nobody cares.
Oh really?
I'm telling you. So nobody cares.
Yeah.
Now what you know here when the group led by Nimako were going to court and writing petitions upon petitions, demonstrations upon demonstrations, what happened? Nothing, because Woodtimi was strongly behind Eugene, and the top were also strongly behind Woodtimi. So nothing was happening. Bia and Kosiaga.
So when the new national executive, so I don't know when you need to be at this time round, the system will change.
The harm has been done already. The album now, I could almost say no. I'm telling you, sir. Police station being where to about Subin. It is our album a fake. Yes.
Subin album. Now said recently, could you the bar someone verification?
Why go verify what? Who was doing the verification? Go and look at the list of members of the verification committee. And those people who perpetrated the fraud, they are the people who are verifying it. So what is it? 87.9. What are you verifying? Me ya say. Yet a constituency like Subin. A month for Bemobu to the extent say, I'm here about to do a new mango to Abba.
You don't mean that. Now party album, some for they don't care about party album.
No, but you see, the profound now this I or police station for now you free mo ya near the adeno.
Yeah.
Omu tifiemu, omu busia. Almost na woman tell me one of campaign my party where I kono. So pam mo kwambone so na kofo bi o tejo so na so bi o ti ba bi so me police executive wonim ba bia o executive wonim nipa ti wompu obede no tima campaign my party no anya tumi na ye bo party na se ye bo no mo ye party na hyem sa e wo constituency mo mo behwe ama party na koso no mo bo no na se mo bo ama party na gina it is a party penefo won kan Omo mo asante region the least said about them the better. Omo mo kan no so omo antutuo mu nan anhwe say bibi papa bi bekoso e a place like Subia. Anhwe on bedati omani no. Na nyema say.
So picture open as a 2024 won't be uncontested on the party's ticket.
Oh,